Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. For today, I would like to share with you a haul from Spellbinders on their spring clearance cleaning warehouse sale. And finally, my box came. So I'm going to share with you the items that I pick up during their clearance sale. And here are all the items inside here. And here's the list of all the things I picked up. I got 18 pieces and I'm going to share you one at a time, okay? So set aside the box. So I got this brads. I don't know how much they are, but I got this for $1. So all the items that I pick is from, they have a $1, $2, $3, $5 and deal, and other are really like 75% off on top of it. Okay, so I got two of these brads and they are really so pretty. I got two of those, and then I got a brayer. I got this brayer and this is only $3 now. I can't remember the original prices because I think Spellbinders spring cleaning warehouse sale is already done, so I can't go back to the original prices that I had, but I got this for $3. Okay, and now I also got this Life is a Party die cut set. I believe this comes in a lot of pieces, and I think this cost $3 now. Okay, let's open it up so that you'll see the pieces that they got. I just don't know how many pieces these party pieces are, but they are really so pretty pieces. Okay, let me just show you. In random. So that's there. That's another piece there. I think it comes in 2 pieces per design. So you got a shrimp there, and this one, that one over there. So you got a lot. There's bottles there, and there's a burger. Some of these little pieces here. They're so pretty cute. And I only got this for $3. Okay. This piece over here. There. I'm not gonna show everything. There. Just in random. So that's what I got. Okay. So we'll just set this aside over here. Set those pieces embellishment designs over there. Okay. And now we go on to the next. I also got this trim sequence. And I only got this for $1, okay? These 2 pieces for $1, okay? And here is another that I got. Okay, I got this watermelon. This goes with, I think I bought this for $5, okay? So this is a bundle. This goes with a rubber, a clean rubber stamp, a clear rubber stamp there, and it goes with a die, with the die itself. Okay, so that's how the die. Let's show how the die looks like. Okay, let's put it here. There's the die. Okay. And it goes with the corresponding rubber stamp. Okay, so I got this for $5. Okay, let's set that aside there. And then I also got this Life is a Party stamp set. Let me see how much this is now. I got this for $2. Okay, And it's so very pretty. Just open it. There. So that's how you have a hurrah, invited, you are surprised, it's a party celebration coming over, and little notes like time, date, to, from, and other more. Okay, so I just got this now for $2. So everything here is ranging from $1 up to $10. Oh, but there is one thing that I bought for 15, but it's like from $35 up, and it's down to 15. Almost, I don't know if it's $75 or more. I just can't view the original price anymore. And I also got this Jane Davenport clear stamp, acrylic stamps, and this is let's see how much this is. Okay, all right. Okay, Jane Davenport acrylic stamps. I really can't see how much this is, but I think I got this for okay, I got this for $1. Yep, this is just for $1. Okay, that stamp is $1, and this one is another clear stamp, and I got this for, I think this is $3. Okay, a Jane Davenport. See how it looks like. That's $3 there, and over here is also a Jane Davenport clear stamps. I got this also for $3. I'm going to be using this for my art journaling. That's why I picked those up. And then I have more over here. Okay, I got more over here, guys. So let's just open it up and see what we got. Okay. Sorry for the noise. I'm trying to take out the plastic. And then from Journey Fan Stampers, I got this 9 stamp sets. And this one, I bought it for, let's see. Okay, this is $5 for this stamp set. And let's open it up. And let's see how it looks like. It's a rubber stamp. See, isn't it so pretty? There's a bottle which you can put a note. You can put a you can put this in a card or any art journal and sending warm wishes. So I got this for $5. This rubber stamp set. Okay. Okay, let's put that in. There you go. And the next one is this one. This is a planner. What do you call this? It's a 12 die template, and it's the large die of the month. It's like a what do you call this? A clipboard. Okay, it's a clipboard, and this is how it's gonna cut. And I got this for let me check. This one I got it for 10, but maybe this used to be 30 something, 35 I think. So that's another one there, another there. And then I also got this one. It's also a large die of the month, and it has 14 cutting dies, and it's for art journaling. See how the designs that they make. It's so pretty. I just decided to get it as part of my art journal. And this cost, let me check. I think I also bought this for, oops. Okay, where is that? Okay. I think I also bought this for $10. It used to be like $35. And see how pretty what you can make out of it. It's very good for art journal, okay? And the next one is this one. This is also a small die of the month, and it comes in 11 dies. And this is a Boo Boo Ikaboo dice. And I think I got this for 5. Okay, I think this used to be like 20 something. So this is a very good die for Halloween, you know, there. And then I got this one too. Oh, this one is a 9 die template. Oh, I didn't know these are big. See? And I only got this for $1, guys. This is just $1. Oops, it doesn't come in a board. It doesn't come in a plate, but this is all the dice that it has. The bird is big. They are big size. I thought they were just small sizes. Okay, got the leaves. You got a floater message and also another leaves here. Okay, so that's only for $9. See how big their packing is. It's a big size packing. But I bought that only for $1. Yep, bought that for $1. Okay, and now we also have, this is also what I wanted for my art journal, and I bought this for $10. Okay, this is expensive. It's like 30 something, but now it's just $10. It has a clear stamp and it has a die to come with it, still with Jane Davenport. And then this is the really one I really wanted for the longest time, and I got this for, I think this is the one, this is the highest one that I got, because it comes in a clear stamp and a die as well. So I bought this for $15. I think this used to be like 40 something plus. Okay, because it's a bundle, that's why I got it at the very, and it's in clearance, so it's like, this is only 15. So here is here's the stamp set. I really love this. I've been wanting so much to get this, and that's how you can put that in a card, and it goes with also with the corresponding die. Okay, so that's it. That's one there. Okay, let's just put that here. Okay, and then I also got this Let's Twist, Take a Melon, and I think I bought this for $5. It comes in clear stamps. Let's twist, thanks a melon, lime yours, you're one in a melon, you hold the kiwi to my heart, you are very special, and you are my main squeeze. That's why I picked this up. These are rubber stamps as well. Okay, and I got, and the last but not the least, I am wanting so much to get some corrugated paper. Okay, and I got 2 of this paper. It says this says $2 for 20 sheets. Well, and I have one over here. See, you got 20 sheets for $2. So I hope this is 20 sheets. That's what it says. Or no, 10 sheets for $2. Okay. So this is the kind of the corrugated paper. I thought it was a little bit wider, but they're just small, thinly corrugated paper. So I only bought this for $2. Okay, so that's all, guys. This is all the things that I haul from the Spellbinders spring cleaning warehouse sale. So I don't think so their sale is ongoing already. It has stopped, and I just wanted to share you the items that I bought. So until my next haul or next video, I'll see you again guys soon, and thanks for watching. Have a safe day. Bye for now.